I'm gonna show you how to install or replace your motion sensors inside your house. This one right here is in my restroom. And make sure you turn all the power off that's going to this motion sensor. As you can see, I still have mine on. And this screwdriver here is really handy. If you would like to purchase one, you can look in the description below or just click the drop down to the right. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm just showing you how to replace it or install one. And it's really simple to do. And like I said before, make sure you turn the power off. And I still have this power on. That's why you see I'm being really careful. I've done this a few times, so I know how it works. And if you look here at your switch, I know which one is hot and which one is the low. But on this, the black is the hot, the red is the low, the green is the ground. But you can also check this with a voltmeter or a tester. And I'm gonna show you how to check it with a voltmeter. And that's what I have at my house, a voltmeter. I had a tester, but I don't know where it's at. So first I'm gonna just take these lugs off. You notice that the light went off when I unplugged that one. And I know that this one right here is the hot, which I'm gonna put the first one. That's the alligator clips. You probably should keep a few of these around the house, the alligator clips. So I'm gonna put it on the hot. And I'm gonna check it here with my voltmeter. You notice that I got 122 volts. So that's my hot, and the other black is my load that is going to the light. So if I put it on the load, I should get nothing. So it should be 0. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and wire this back up. Like I said, that's the hot right there. And that is your load that's going to the light. So if I touch both of these at the same time, I will get shocked. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the live wire on. As you can see, I'm twisting it clockwise. And then I'm putting my lug nut on, and I'm turning it clockwise also. So that's my hot. So now I'm going to put the red on, which is my load. And I'm gonna make sure that the power is on. And I'm gonna show you what happened. You notice when I put the load on, I connected it, it's sending power to the light. So turn that clockwise and put the lug on and turn it clockwise. And that's really all to it. So you just need to make sure you know which one is hot, which one is your load. When I say load is what is going to the light switch or a fan, whatever you're using this for. Then you just put your cover back on. And if you would like to purchase any of this stuff, look in the description below or look to the top right. There's a drop down to my website. And thanks for watching. So subscribe to my channel, like, turn on notifications, and share. And thanks again. Have a great day.